मैं डॉक्टर सर्वरीश यादव ESVN PG कॉलेज कलान सुल्तानपुर BSc फर्स्ट ईयर पेपर थर्ड जियोमेट्री एंड वेक्टर कैलकुलस ज्योमेट्री एंड वेक्टर कैलकुलस geometry and vector calculus. In this paper we divide three parts. First, two dimension space. Second, three dimension space. Third, vector calculus. The difference between two dimension space and three dimension and three dimension space. The distance between two dimension space. This is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. ax1 comma y1, b ax2 comma y2. d is equal to under root ax2 minus of x1 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस ऑफ y2 माइनस ऑफ y1 का होल स्क्वायर. टू डी and 3D. The distance between three dimension space. This is a x-axis and this is a y-axis and this is a z-axis. A coordinate x1 comma y1 comma z1, b ax2 comma y2 comma z2. d is equal to अंडर रूट x2 माइनस ऑफ x1 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस ऑफ y1 माइनस y2 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस ऑफ z2 माइनस ऑफ z1 का होल स्क्वायर। The centroid of the triangle in two dimension space, तो ABC AX1 कामा Y1 AX2 कामा Y2 AX3 कामा Y3। The centroid capital X bar is equal to AX1 plus X2 divided by 2 comma Y1 plus of Y2 divided by 2 Z1 comma Z2 divided by 3। divided by 3 in 3-dimension space, the centroid of the triangle in 3-dimension space ABC AX1 कामा Y1 कामा Z1 AX2 कामा Y2 कामा Z2 AX3 कामा Y3 कामा Z3। The centroid of the triangle in ABC is AX1 plus of X2 plus of X3 divided by 3 comma Y1 plus of Y2 plus of Y3 divided by 3 Z1 plus of Z2 plus of Z3 divided by 3। डायरेक्शन कोसाइन ALMAN the direction cosine of the line AB direction cosine of the line AB in 3-dimension space. In 3-dimension space, this is a x axis and this is a y axis and this is a z axis. The line, this point is x, y, z. Line AB, line AB, angle theta. If the line AB, if the line AB makes angle alpha, beta, gamma in positive direction of the axis, positive direction of the axis, that is ये अल्फ़ा, ये एंगल आपका बीटा, ये एंगल आपका गामा. If the line AB makes angle alpha, beta, gamma in positive direction of x axis, then L is equal to cos alpha, which makes angle alpha with x axis. EM is equal to cos of beta, which makes alpha angle with x axis. EM is equal to cos beta, which makes angle beta with y axis. En is equal to cos of gamma, which makes angle gamma with z axis. Hence the direction cosine, of the line AB is EL, EM, N R over cos alpha, cos of beta and cos of gamma. direction cosine with coordinates axis. Direction cosine with coordinate axis. डायरेक्शन फर्स्ट में डायरेक्शन कोसाइन along डायरेक्शन कोसाइन along ax coordinates. In 3-dimension space, this is a x-axis and this is a y-axis and this is a z-axis and this point is O. In this case, the angle alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to 90 degree, gamma is equal to 90 degree. Then the direction cosine cos of alpha, cos of beta, cos of gamma, using the above value of alpha, beta, gamma. Then cos 0 degree, cos 90 degree, cos 90 degree, 1, 0, 0. This is the direction cosine. This is the direction cosine, which is the direction cosine along ax axis. Direction cosine along x axis is 1, 0, 0, डायरेक्शन कोसाइन along y-axis along y-axis b along y-axis, then in this case alpha is equal to 90 degree, beta is equal to 0 degree, and gamma is equal to 90 degree. Then the direction cosine cos of alpha, cos of beta, cos of gamma using the above value of alpha, beta, gamma, then cos of 90 degree, cos of 0 degree, cos of 90 degree. तो 0,1,0 which is the direction cosine along y-axis, which is the direction cosine along y-axis. Direction cosine along z-axis. Direction cosine along z-axis. In this case alpha is equal to 90 degree, beta is equal to 90 degree, gamma is equal to 0 degree. The direction cosine cos of alpha, cos of beta, cos of gamma using the above value of अल्फ़ा बीटा गामा cos 90 डिग्री cos 90 डिग्री cos 0 डिग्री। जीरो कामा 1 which is the direction cosine along z axis we conclude that the direction cosine along x y z axis is written as 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. relation between direction cosine in three dimension space relation between direction cosine in 3-dimension space. This is a x axis and this is a y axis and this is a z axis. This point is a O, making a point P ax y z line AB. If a line AB if a line AB makes angle alpha, beta, gamma. Then EL is equal to cos of alpha, EM is equal to cos of beta, EN is equal to cos of gamma. In triangle ABC, in triangle OPA dash, cos of alpha is equal to OA dash upon OP. EL is equal to AX divided by R. This is the equation first. Similarly, क्या करिए अल्लाह पकड़ दो तुम्हें पूरा कहू ना कह रहे कि छोड़ दे इतना दिल बलवा है ना हमारा मोबाइल लगे गया देखा आवत आवाज नहीं वो वही चलता है काटने